In this video, I am going to show you how to watch DSTV on your phone. First, ensure that your smartphone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. To get started, you need to download the DSTV Now app from your device's App Store, available for both Android and iOS. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your DSTV credentials. If you don't have an account, you can register for one directly in the app. You'll need your DSTV account number and some personal details to complete the registration process. After logging in, you'll have access to a wide variety of live channels, on-demand movies, and series. To watch live TV, tap on the Live TV option on the main menu. Here, you can browse through the available channels and select the one you want to watch. If you're interested in watching shows on demand, go to the Catch-up section in the app. This feature allows you to view previously aired content, including popular series and movies. Simply select the show or movie you want to watch, and it will start streaming on your phone. Make sure your phone's screen is set to a comfortable viewing orientation, and adjust the volume as needed. Keep in mind that streaming video may use a significant amount of data, so it's advisable to monitor your data usage if you're not on Wi-Fi. And that's it. You can now enjoy DSTV content right on your phone, giving you the flexibility to watch your favorite shows anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.